So I just make it here, the make its line, like first make a circle. I just put over here, first make a circle, and these circles make the line like this. First steps, make this, and in this line you'll just create nose. First make this one, okay? Done that much, we are going to the next steps. After that, first steps, we are going to make it very simple, okay? Then we are going to here just make a line 1, 2, this is the 2, and this is the height, and make the body. আমার বাবা এটা কোথায়? এই যে ঘুমু ঘুমু করেছো? Very good girl. Make the body like this. Okay, I just make the body over here. Yes. Mickey Mouse. Yes, beta. Make it the. Oh, make the basic first, like this. We are just randomly color fill up in this drawing, so I just make it just first inking the color. Yes, let's start the blue or grey color on it. We have a next 2-3 minutes, and after that we can finish class. Okay, then start the senior class. So please finish it first, the color. All of you, the kids, Tarun. Skin, right? Okay. So it is a very famous character of Disney. But I make it the characters with difference. caps are you using brown, or you can use a yellow ochre as well, but we are doing the now flattering color. I put the flattering color. Okay, flattering color means that just fill the color in this space, and after that we are going to the second tone. It's called the flattering. And the stress, I can use the yellow ochre like this. Like this. Yellow ochre or chrome yellow, it's just fine. And the body, I'm using again the blue, the cobalt blue, like this. Hi, sir. Hi. Good evening. How are you? Good, good. I'm good too. Today the result is coming. This vote like Congress is win, right? Okay. नहीं, it's exactly my vote already in Kolkata, but next week, next year, this local Lok Sabha vote I should giving here. Uh, my passport, voter IDs, all those are here only, but not put name mine in. I forgot. My Aadhaar card, my passport, my uh, only ID card, the voter ID is in Bengal. Yeah. Hi Manu, Rida will start class next 1 minute, okay? Yeah, this is finish almost. Just put some second on. 3 will start, okay? 2 minutes. I finish. Okay, the few areas I just put it's little bit of dark color. Okay. This is second tone. Like this. This character from the Disney, one this famous animations movie with crate with rabbit. In yellow ochre, you can use a little bit of white for the 3 dimension shades. Okay, sometimes using the little white. It's good. It looks more artistic. I'm using little white color as well.